Day 126 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. This time we're at day 126, y'all. We're really moving and grooving here, making some progress along our LeetCode journey. And I hope y'all have been learning along the way, because I know I have. A lot of this stuff is really starting to make sense. A lot of stuff that didn't make sense at the beginning is really starting to make sense now, which is just shows the importance of staying consistent and staying disciplined until you achieve your goal, y'all. You have to stay patient. Patience is included in that as well, y'all. It's not going to happen overnight, but if you continue to put one foot in front of the other and continue down the LeetCode journey every day, it will pay off, y'all, and you will start to learn something. So before we get started today, y'all, don't forget, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we could run up this engagement and we could help push this content out to a broader audience, so we could do our part in helping the Swift community grow as a whole, y'all. The Swift community is still budding, it's still growing, it's just getting started. It has a lot more room to grow, and it's up to us to do our part in helping it grow, y'all. So, with all that being said, I know why y'all are here. And today we have question number 205, isomorphic strings. The difficulty level is easy, so you guys already know if you've been on this channel before. We're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well, because we're all here to learn, and it's going to be hard to learn if you don't understand the code. So that's why we want to keep the code as simple and easy to understand as possible, so everybody can learn and nobody is missing out or feeling like they're missing out. So let's see what the question says. It says, given 2 strings S and T, determine if they are isomorphic. 2 strings, 2 strings S and T are, whoa. 2 strings S and T are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get T. All occurrences of a character must be replaced with another character while preserving the order of characters. No 2 characters may map the same character, but a character may map to itself. So, let's see what they're talking about. We have example 1. We have the input S is egg, and then T is equal to add. The output is true. The explanation says, the explanation says the strings S and T can be made identical by mapping E to A, and mapping G to D. So if we map this E into an A, we could do that. Boom. Then we map these 2 G's into these 2 D's, we could do that. Boom. So the output is true. So let's look at example 2 because it's a little different. So in example 2, we have S equals FOO, S equals FOO, foo, and T equals bar, BAR. This output is false because the explanation says the string S and T cannot be made identical, as O needs to be mapped to both A and R. So you see, these is 2 O's here, and this O would either have to be changed to A, or the O would have to be changed to R, but it can't be both, and that's why the output is false. Now let's look at example 3. We have paper and we have title, and the output is true because we can map this P to the T. Boom. P to the T. We can map the A to the I. Boom. We have another P and it's already a T, but look, it's a T right here too, so it works. Boom. Then we have map the E to the L. Boom. And we map the R to the E. Boom. And that's why the output is true. So now that we understand what the question is asking, let's get into the fun part, the part that we're all excited to know, the part that got us interested in learning Swift in the beginning, the code. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? We got a one-liner. That's right, y'all. We could solve this problem in 1 line of code, so you know it's not that difficult at all. And in order to do that, first thing we're going to do is we're going to say s.map. We're going to open up the brackets. Then we're going to say s.format first index. Then we're going to open up the parentheses. We're going to say of, we're going to put a colon. Then we're going to put $0. Now, if you're new to this channel, remember this $0, is going to represent each element in the array or the current element in the array, but it's going to go through each element in the array, but as it's going, it's just going to represent one element at a time. So it's going to represent the current element in the array, but then it's going to move on to the next element and the next element until it represents every element in the array. So after we do that, we're going to say two equal signs for is equal to, and we're going to say, because these two equal signs are going to return a Boolean, and that's what we want to return, a Boolean. So then we're going to say t.map. Then we're going to open up the brackets. We're going to say t.first index, again, just like over there, same thing. Open up the parentheses. We're going to say of, put the colon, and we're going to say $0, y'all. And that's, and don't forget, these are optional, so we should put exclamation points right here as well. So that should be all she wrote. Let's run it, make sure it runs, make sure it does what it's supposed to. Let's see. And it's accepted, y'all. So let's submit it. Make sure it stays accepted, because you know how this LeetCode thing could be. You never know. And there it is, y'all. 212 milliseconds beats 66.84% of users with Swift. Now, we definitely have to get these numbers up. However, we're just here because we want to learn something, and we're trying to understand. We need a code that is easy to understand, and I feel like this is an easy code to understand. That's why I chose it. So we're not really worried about the time. As we get further down our LeetCode journey and we are we get better at solving these problems, then we'll focus on the time. But right now, we just want to focus on solving the problem and understanding the code that we've written. So with all that being said, y'all, I'll see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.